Hello everyone, my name is丁敏. Welcome to my column on the spiritual map of pottery. The theme I want to talk about today is the dialectic of the soul of artifacts, the virtual and the real. In the first two episodes, we talked about the origins of pottery. I'd like to talk to you today about one of the most intrinsic and fascinating paradoxes of pottery, the value of an object. On the soil it was pinched out of, or in the void surrounded by mud. Lao Tzu said in the Tao Te Ching that mountains stop as tools. When it is not used, it is used for weapons. The earth is kneaded into shapes. It is precisely because of the piece of nothingness in the middle. Only utensils have the function of receiving. But in the context of contemporary art, the void in the wall is not just for holding water. Perhaps I feel that the emptiness of the device is for the sake of silence. When we shape a vessel, essentially cutting space, the wall is the boundary of matter and the invisible void within the vessel. This is the true soul of the work. For collectors, collect a pottery work. It is essentially a collection of spiritual spaces created by the artist. This kind of interweaving of virtual and real, it constitutes the unique artistic tension of pottery. Objects are not passive objects. It is an extension of human existence. It reflects our way of life. It also reflects our spiritual pursuit. If you look closely at a bowl or a bottle, you will find that it actually establishes a set of order on the boundary between material and spiritual. In this order, the utensils no longer speak. It's just a silent presence. This silence is precisely what is most scarce in contemporary life. It reminds us it's not just about grand narratives. It is also often hidden in the blank of an artifact. Every artifact is a coordinate to the depths of our hearts. That's why we still use our hands to touch the earth. Look at the void with your eyes, so-called artifacts. It's just a piece of clothing tailor-made for the void. The shaping of all forms. Ultimately, it's all about giving the soul room to breathe.